guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today is a beautiful Sunday morning and it's really the only day I have time to make, breakfast a little extra, like go beyond, like make, chilaquiles, huevos rancheros, huevos a la mexicana, or, huevos con nopales, like different ways. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make huevos a la mexicana, but my way, because usually during the weekdays when you're rushing to go to work, what do? You either just get some oatmeal or some simple scrambled eggs when they're wrapped up in a tortilla, or even like a protein shake. That's what you do usually when you're on a run. So today we're gonna get started with those ingredients. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. So now let's head over to our ingredients. So the ingredients will be tomatoes, onion, a serrano pepper. I have some turkey franks, also known as weenies. I'm only going to be using 3. And then we have avocado oil and some eggs. I'm going to start off by cutting our onion. And this is no measurement. It's really up to you, the amount that you want. Now let's go ahead and cut our serrano peppers. And remember, if you want it spicy, don't remove the seeds. But if you don't want it too spicy, go ahead and remove the seeds. Now it's time to cut our tomatoes. It's up to you the same if you want to leave the seeds or not. If you leave the seeds, it actually gets a little juicy. So it's up to you if you want them or not. It's your preference. Or, like I said, remove the seeds and just cut your tomato. So I already set aside our veggies. Now it's time to cut our turkey franks. You could use beef if you want. It's up to you, whatever you like. You could either cut them like that, so it could be little circles, but I prefer to cut half. And then cut them. Okay, so I'm using a total of 9 eggs, but I'm only going to use 3 whole and the rest white. So let's go ahead and start cracking our eggs. There goes 1 whole. Okay, and I don't have the egg white separator, so I'm going to do it, old-fashioned, how my dad showed me how to separate them. And well, this is huevos a la mexicana, but in Mexico, they use it a lot, adding weenie to it. And you know what? It's very good, but I find that the turkey franks have a very good flavor, and they make your huevitos taste really good. Okay, so now it's time to add a little bit of black pepper. You can add a little bit of salt, but I never add salt because I think with the turkey franks will be good. And then after that, I just put hot sauce on it. But let's go ahead and give it a whisk. If you want your eggs to be a little bit more spongy, you could just add like a tablespoon of milk. But I like to do that when I do omelets. But this time, we're not going to put milk in it. So now I'm preheating our skillet. And let me add like 2 tablespoons of oil, just because we need enough so I could cook our eggs really good. Already hot. And what we're going to go ahead and add our franks. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and our serrano pepper. And remember, if your oil doesn't make this noise, that means it's not hot enough. My dad would always say, for a food to taste good and for it to be, really well cooked, your oil needs to, I'm going to say it in Spanish, you guys, but he used to say, el aceite tiene que chillar para que te sepa buena la comida. So I don't know how you say that, but it means your oil needs to be nice and hot, that it makes the noise to know that your food will be really delicious. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes that I let this, fry a little bit. It's on medium to low heat. Now we're gonna add our tomatoes. And we'll go ahead and leave this for another 2 to 3 minutes until your tomatoes get nice and soft. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes already. You can tell the tomatoes already soft. That's going to make your eggs to get a nice color. So let's go ahead and pour your eggs. And let's go ahead and cook this until the way you like your eggs, okay? So probably be like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It depends how you like your eggs to be cooked. Some like it, soft, medium, scrambled hard. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes, and this is how it looks. So if you want it to cook a little bit longer, you can leave it for another 2 minutes. But these are ready to go. Alrighty, you guys, so this is an example with your eggs, some avocado, some beans, some queso fresco, some tortillitas. Oh, and by the way, Marissa's in the background, but she didn't want to come out in the video because she just got done doing exercise, so she says she's all sweaty. But anyway, she was laughing at me because she says that I say everything like frijolitos, huevitos, and everything. She goes, they're going to think you have babies. But no, I don't have babies. I have teenagers. But I do work with little kids at my work. And my dad would always be like real chiquiado, so he would always say everything like with frijolitos, huevitos, and chilitos, so I think I got used to that. But anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can be part of our family. Share with your family and friends. Leave your comments down below and give it a big thumbs up. So now it's time to enjoy some huevitos. These are very good, you guys, and they're not that bad to eat, so. Provecho. I need some salsita and tapatio. Thank you, you guys. We'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.